Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Jashri. So this afternoon I'm doing nothing. I was just thinking of painting and listening to old Bollywood songs, and right now I'm listening to Imran Hashmi songs. Old Bollywood. I love those songs. So I decided to sacrifice my music and create a video instead, because I cannot play music. Copyright issues. I don't want that. So today we're going to paint on this. And if you're asking what is this, so I'll tell you what is this. When you buy a cloth or a t-shirt or top, you get a card paper like this, and this is that. I preserve that because I don't think I'm canvas ready. So we are going to do that. This is not a tutorial, so mind you. So yeah, we're going to talk about some things, and also I'm in my very simple attire, because that's how I live at home, not a very fancy lifestyle. So one more thing which I wanted to show you, I got a stylus. Yeah, it's a stylus pencil. I was thinking of showing this in the stationery hall, but I couldn't wait, sincerely. And I've been drawing random things since the morning. Drawing wise, I don't think it has helped much, because I don't draw much. But in writing, it's good. I'll actually write and show. You know what, we'll do it later. First let's paint. Let's do one thing. I have a problem that I start 1,000 things at once, and that's why I cannot complete. So let's complete one thing, then we'll do the other thing. So it's a beautiful summer day. It's like a typical sunny day. I won't call it beautiful because it's kind of hot, but yeah, it's a nice day, nice sunny day. Yesterday night it was so hot that I took a shower at 1 a.m. so that I could sleep. It was literally very hot, and my fan was almost dead. It was so slow, so that was sad. I woke up at 9:30 a.m. and I was woken up by a call by the delivery person who actually delivered me the stylus. So I went with my sleepy face to actually receive the delivery, and it was raining lightly, so it was a nice morning. Yesterday night I had a dream, and I have been first of all, I have been too much into Instagram and YouTube. I don't do anything these days, just sleep, wake up late, and just my phone. So I thought that I could limit my phone time in case I want to live happy and actually do stuff. So I limited my phone time, and I realized that I have a lot of time. I could do so many things. I could read a book, I could paint, and there is so many fun things to do. So that's why. So I have not checked my Instagram since yesterday. At the moment I decided, I think around 8:30 p.m. Yeah, that was hard initially. Also, thank you for 50 subscribers. I just checked my YouTube by mistake. I did not plan to check YouTube until and unless I did a few things which I assigned myself. But by mistake I opened it and saw that I have 50 subscribers. So thank you guys. I'm so happy. Yes, thank you. Okay, anyways, so I was talking about the dream story. I have too many things to tell you, so I'm just all over the place. I had this dream where I saw that Best Dressed, which is my favorite YouTuber, like Ashley. I just love Ashley. So I actually watch a lot of YouTube channels, but Ashley is my favorite person on YouTube. I just love her. I mean, how could anyone hate her? I don't understand. She's so sweet, and I just love her, and so funny. So I had a dream that she uploaded a video, and the thing is that she has not uploaded since 6 months. And I completely understand, when you get burnout, you just don't want to do social media again, and it's completely okay to take a break. But as a fangirl, obviously I'm allowed to miss her, so I miss her genuinely. Some days before, I was actually, by mistake, I clicked on one of the Ashley's videos, and I was actually doing something, and when I heard Ashley's voice, I almost teared up. That was crazy, I know, to get attached to someone on social media, but that's true, guys. That's who I am these days. So even if you watch this video ever, Ashley, I don't know if that will ever happen. Remember that I love you so much. Oh, you're so adorable. Okay, anyways, let's not get all lovey-dovey, and let's start painting. So yeah, I cut piece paper into 4 pieces, and we are going to paint. And I'm going to do something simple which can not actually be ruined, because I highly doubt my acrylic painting skills. So yeah, we're going to do something simple and something not embarrassing on the internet, because I have done enough embarrassing things in my past videos. So let's make this a success. Also today I'm going to go to the market, going to start painting. Just let me find the paintbrush in 2 seconds. Hi guys, I'm back with the paintbrush. Yeah, you guessed it right, these cost 10 rupees and one of them was free with the Rangila paints, and I don't remember which one. So we're going to start painting, and let's choose a color. What color am I feeling today? Let's do orange. No, let's do pink. Yeah, pink will be good. I'm sorry that you cannot see what I'm doing, because so the thing is that I don't have any friends, so I'm perfectly fine without friends. Like actually the thing is that as a kid, since childhood, I always had friends. Like I had a lot of friends. I don't remember a phase in my life when I don't have a best friend, not friends, like best friends. So this is the first time in my life I don't have any friends, so I kind of feel a bit lonely, but I kind of enjoy the time, because when you don't have anyone, you get a lot of time and you can do a lot of things. You can read a book, you can do anything, like you have a lot of time. But sometimes you need a comfort friend, so that's why I thought to make this video, to feel like that I'm talking to a friend. So actually I had a lot of plans for these days, which I got in between my internship and my job, and it was, for now it's going south. Like I have not done a lot of things. Okay, anyways, I'm thinking of making a quotes planner. Some people have thoughts on marriage, that there is a certain age of marriage, and I don't feel that. While I do feel that at some point, I don't know what sentence I'm going to say, but I'm just going to say my views on marriage. I feel that marriage should be done when you want it, like when you are ready for it. Because some people get married early and they have kids, and then they don't give their time to kids, and their kids are roaming around, and I just don't like that. When I want to have kids, like when I'm having kids, I'm giving them time. Okay, I am with them, and I'm going to teach them, and I'm going to play with them. I'm not throwing my kids on other people, because that's the worst thing anyone can do. Like if you want independent life, don't have kids in the first place, because having kids is like a full-time job. You have to give full time to it, and at least when they're babies, like when they are under 10 years old, you need to give them time. And in this pandemic situation, they don't even have school, kids and all, so you need to give time to your kids. And if you can't do that, please don't have kids, because that's just hell for other people whose lives you're ruining by throwing their kids on them. So that's what I wanted to say about marriage, or anything else. Don't do it if you're not ready, because then you won't be happy, and that won't be good for you. Oh my god, this pink is so pretty. It's amazing, literally. Oh, I actually don't have a favorite color. I think, but I think it's red or black. I think it's red. It's subjective, guys. Like I like different color and different things. Like for outfits, I love red, but I love wearing black. I don't love wearing black. I actually wear black. I want to wear colors, but black is my comfort color, so I end up wearing black. And it's so much pink. I love it, guys. It turned out well. I'm thinking of writing a quote, or a word with black. Let's stay simple so that it won't get ruined. In this card paper, which is this size. Hello again, my beautiful friends. So I actually painted all the four like pieces of card paper, and they're just trying. So let's see how they're looking right now. Ooh, yeah, nice. Yeah, so now it's time for me to show you the stylus. So yeah, this is the stylus. Okay, no, this is not sponsored, not paid, and I just ordered it randomly, because I actually wanted to like write, and I don't want to purchase a tablet, because that was a waste of money. I thought I could write on my phone as well. Yeah, it will be a bit smaller, but I'm not going to buy a tablet. Okay, let's be real, I don't have a shit ton of money, and even if I had, I won't be wasting on random things. So yeah, this is the packaging, and I like the packaging. It's nice. And yeah, this is the stylus. So this is a magnetic cover. So have a look. Yeah, This is magnetic, and this is how it works. You cannot yeah, this is attached, so you cannot like pull this out. I thought it would be like a pen, so I'm pretty disappointed with this, cover thing. Let me know if you would know if we could remove this, but as per me, if I'll remove this, the whole like nib comes out, and yeah, I don't want that. So I'm going to write on my old phone and show you, and I'll also like how this works. I have not actually written on my old phone. I was using my new phone, but I'm filming from my new phone, so let's use this for the matter of time. Right, I don't have an app. Okay, I can use PicsArt, I guess. Yeah. Let's see if I have an app where I can actually write. What apps do I have? Do I have Photogrid and Visco, Lightroom now? Not working, and then no. I actually don't have any apps where I can write with my stylus. Yeah, but it's clicking. I just opened WhatsApp. Okay, so actually I can use WhatsApp, Yeah, WhatsApp to the rescue. So I'll just click a picture of this. Oh shit, I clicked this picture and it's not a very good picture, but it will work. So now we can actually write something on it. Let's try writing. Oh my god, it's smooth, and it's working on both my phones. One is MI and one is OnePlus. So yeah, it's nice. I'll mention more about this in my stationery haul, because then I would have used it more, and also I'll give the link in the description in case you're interested in a cheap stylus and you don't want to spend too much money, like thousands of money. This costed me around 399 rupees, and I don't think it's bad, because if I write with my fingers, it's not that clean. My handwriting is actually not bad, and my hand was not able to go. I'll actually show you what I've written. Okay, let me show you. I'm just going to write my sorry. Oopsies. And then we have wet paint, so yeah, fingers carefully. And this is just so smooth and easy to write. Yep. See, I wrote my name, and you know what, let me click a black picture so that you can see the writing. Just keep my hand here and click. Yeah, you can see this is this picture. Now my writings will be visible to you. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Nice time with you all. Bye bye.